You are doing your MBA to get a job, right? Not only the job, but also a right kind of a job for you. And our industry certifications will help you getting that right job. Take for example, you are joining a business analytics company with the right certificates from Grant Thornton. For example, you are joining a BFSI industry and you get certificates from AMFI, certificates from NCFM, certificates from National Stock Exchange. Not only that, the certificates from Coursera, certificates from other US universities are all part of our MBA. Come and experience it.